Hey guys, so today me and Mum are going to be trying seaweed flavoured rice crackers.
And seaweed flavoured salmon skins, so...
But I'm not going to be trying this one.
We'll see. What one do you want to do first? Your one?
Yeah.
And then open it up then. What does it smell like? Can you smell?
Yeah, I don't want to smell it. It's so hard.
No, don't smell too bad.
I'm getting this one.
That's what it looks like.
And
Okay.
if this is the one with a lot of, I don't know what on.
Seaweed.
Yeah, seaweed.
Right, pick your one. Cheers. Mmm, crunchy. Do you want your bowl? Water? Mmm. I quite like it. They don't taste very strong, and you can't really taste the seaweed. I'm not really sure what flavour it is.
It's
quite nice.
seaweed!
Yeah, but it doesn't taste very strong.
Seaweed flavoured.
I don't think they're very strong, but they're quite nice. I could eat them. I'll eat more of them when the video's over. Oh, one big one for Dom. Nice one for Mum. You don't have to eat all. Just try a little bit, like the little corner of it. Go on.
No.
Oh, they smell a bit salmony. Okay.
It looks so crunchy.
Oh no. Oh no.
Oh god.
That's very, very fishy. The aftertaste isn't very nice. I don't think I'll be eating any more of them. No, I don't like them. They're better. These are nice.
I think none of them are better because I didn't try both.
Okay. Thanks for
Thanks for
watching.